a shower routine, and this will include hair care, body care, skincare, and makeup as well. So, without any further ado, let's get started. So, the first category is a hair care.
So guys, first thing first, always scrunch your hair after taking a shower as it will retain the original texture of your hair. And second, let your hair air dry and avoid using any hair tool unless it's really urgent. Next up, I always use leave-in conditioner from the brand called L'Oreal. It has a castor oil which is so good product for your damaged hair, and it helps you to seal the split ends as well. Another product I use is the hair serum from the brand called Streak. It is so good for the people like me who have frizzy and dry hair, and since it's infused with walnut oil, it brings shine to your hair.
Moving on to our next category is body care.
So the first product from the category is deodorant, and this is from the brand called Nivea. It is definitely a great product for sensitive skin, and what I love about is it has no alcohol, but as it claims it gives 48 hours protection, it definitely gives 24 hours protection, but 48 hours is questionable. Now moving on to the next product is body lotion. Now this is the lotion which is gifted to me, and I cannot give you the link, but I love the packaging, I love the consistency, and it glides into my skin like anything. So good. The last product in this category is the body spray. So if you are into a fresh citrus sandalwood kind of a fragrance, then this is a must have. This fragrance is definitely to die for, and I would highly recommend you to go and buy it.
Moving on to our next category is my favorite part, and that is none other than skincare.
So the first product from this category is face mist, and it is from the brand called Moody. I love this brand, guys. What I love most is that it is 100% vegan, no alcohol, and plus it is infused with hyaluronic acid and coconut water. The next product is the moisturizer from the brand called Pond's. It's super light gel, it has hyaluronic acid, and as you could see, I have almost emptied the tub and it glides into your skin like anything. Guys, this is the best product for the people who have oily skin, so I highly recommend you to have it. Moving on to the most important skincare essential is none other than sunscreen. So this is 52 Sundays, this is Beauty of Joseon, and this is from the Wish Care. I love 52 Sundays as it is super handy, and it is a spray sunscreen, so I do not have to actually apply it from my fingers, and it's a best so far.
Moving on to our last category is none other than our makeup.
Makeup is such a therapy that many of girls can relate to. Anyhow, moving on to our first product is a primer from the brand called Lenfor. So I am using it on the areas where I have pores, and then I am using a color corrector from the brand called Insides. It is helpful to conceal your dark circles, and then I am topping it off with Forever 52 concealer, and then I am blending it off very nicely. Next, I'm using Lakme CC cream. I mean, guys, this is such an underrated product. It gives such a good coverage that you actually do not have to use foundation on regular days. Then I'm using Nykaa Blush Stick. I mean, the texture is so creamy, it is so good that it easily glides and blends in your skin. And just look at the natural finish. Now moving on to our next product. It was supposed to be a loose powder, but since I do not have it, so I'm doing a jugaad. So I'm using a talcum powder and setting my base. Now moving on to eyes, I usually like to keep it very natural, so I'm using Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, and for the eyebrows I am going with Etude. It is such a good eyebrow pencil that I cannot talk enough about it. With the same spoolie, I'm just curling my lashes since I don't have mascara. Now moving on to the eyeliner, I'm using Mars Sketch Eyeliner. So good, must have it, best and affordable. And now I'm building up a cream blush with the powder blush to give more like a natural finish. I mean, just look at it. It gives that subtle natural glow. Moving on to the next product is the setting spray. Guys, this is the best drugstore setting spray if you're looking for one. Now, the last product is a lip shade. This is from the brand called Mars, and guys, their products are so good, and this lip shade is best for your everyday looks.
So yeah guys, that was it about my post-shower routine. I hope you liked this video. If you do so, please share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye.